Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. Here we are, everybody. We are on day 2. This is week 5 of our unit, and our story that we're talking about is So You Want to Be President. And they gave us the task of looking at word analysis and our spelling words for this week that end in the suffix ly. And we know that when we add that suffix to these words, then it's going to change our meaning. We looked at several of our words yesterday: solemnly, cleverly, miserably. Now we're going to move on to the next slide. I know you are studying very hard. You're reviewing these every day. And I have not a doubt that you are going to get these without any problem. Now, this is where we ended yesterday. So let's go on and let's talk about responsibly. Remember, I told you that it was very important that you made sure that you found the root word when we are adding, whether it is a prefix or it could be a suffix, okay? But being able to break down that word, it helps us to be able to identify the word that we're working with so that we can understand it, so that we can better understand and comprehend what we're reading. Big piece of the puzzle, boys and girls, okay? So we're going to take this slow, but we're going to work at it, and you guys are doing a great job. So the root word here for responsibly is, what do you think? You're absolutely right. See, you're on target. You're right there with me. It is. The root word is responsible. And the meaning for it is having an obligation to something. How many of you have a responsibility when you get home? Maybe you have to feed the dog. Maybe you have to take out the trash. All right, clean your room. Okay, you're familiar with this one. See, I knew you were going to make a connection. Now, when we add this root, or I'm sorry, when we add the suffix to our root word, okay, notice we're going to get a whole new meaning. And it's going to be in a sensible or trustworthy manner. So it's going to change it into doing something. Most of these words, when we add ly, are going to become adverbs. You know, when we get into talking about adverbs, then it gets into grammar. All right, so we're changing it a little bit. So we have to drop this E, which is going to be a big thing to remember. But you're going to drop this E, you're going to add that ly. So if you're acting responsibly, like I expect you to do in your classes, then you are acting in a sensible or trustworthy manner. That means your teacher can trust you. That's a great job. Let's look at gradually. Again, let's find that root word. What do you think it is? Perfect. See, I knew you were following with me. It is. It's gradual. Now, that meaning of just gradual, it's taking place, or it means it's progressing. Maybe you're progressing at a different rate than someone else. All right. Now, when we add that root word, or when we add the suffix ly, gradual just gets an extra L. We don't have to drop it. It just gets an extra L added to it. So our new meaning with the suffix ly is in a gradual way or slowly. She will gradually get her room clean. Okay? So she will gradually get her homework finished. We may have time for one more on this side. And this is the word suddenly. Again, our root word. It is sudden. Sudden means it occurs quick, or it's occurring, or it's done quickly without warning. The new meaning when we add the suffix ly, quickly and unexpectedly. Sudden stays the same, and then you just add that ly to the end. Now we're going to stop there for today because I can't give you all this information at once. Don't want to overload that brain. You're doing great, but we have to do it in small pieces. So you come back tomorrow. I'll see you for day 3 and you start studying. Bye-bye for now.